Good evening, students. Welcome to this special tele-education class. So, boys and girls, how are you all? আশা কৰিছো তোমালোক আটাই কুশলে আছা, নিজৰ ঘৰত সুৰক্ষিত আছা। So, ছাত্ৰ বন্ধুসকল, তোমালোকৰ মনত আছে নে যোৱাটো ক্লাছত আমি কি পঢ়িছিলো? You remember? Good. So, in last class, we talked about reported speech, right? So, reported speech, in other words, we also say narration. এইটোক আমি narration বুলিও কওঁ। narration কি কেনেকুৱা থাকে? দুই প্ৰকাৰৰ থাকে, direct and indirect. আমি যোৱা ক্লাছত কি কৰিছিলো? We were talking about changing direct narration into indirect narration, right? So, যিটো changes থাকে reported speech or direct from direct speech to indirect speech or reported speech, we were discussing something about that. In fact, I have listed some rules. कि simple present হলে কি হয়, present continuous হলে কি হয়, present perfect হলে কি হয়, right? So we have talked about all that. Do you remember that? You do? Very good. But then that was not over last time around. So what we'll do today? We will look into that part and we'll try and complete whatever is left in our last class, right? So are we all ready? Ami sob hazune? Right? Here we go then. Let's begin. So first up, you all know this is an English class. So what do we have over here? So this is reported speech we were talking about, right? So what's next? Let's recall. আমি যোৱা ক্লাছত কি পঢ়িছিলো এবাৰ ৰিভাইজ কৰো হা। Okay? So সবৰে মনত আছে? Let's see. So when reporting a speech, যেতিয়া আমি স্পিচ এটা রিপোর্ট করিম বা ডাইরেক্টর বা ইনডাইরেক্টলি চেঞ্জ করিম, what are we supposed to do? When reporting a speech, there are certain steps that need to be followed. What are those? First one, inverted commas are not used. এতিয়া আমি আটাই জানো যে ডাইরেক্ট নেরেশনত কি হয়? You know, there are two parts. One is reporting clause and the other one is reported clause. So the reported clause is always under inverted comma. আমি সেই পোর্শনটো এটা ইনভার্টেড কমাৰ মাজত ৰাখো। কিন্তু যেতিয়া ডাইৰেক্টৰ পৰা ইনডাইৰেক্টলি চেঞ্জ কৰিম বা ৰিপোৰ্টেড স্পিচলৈ চেঞ্জ কৰিম, we don't use inverted commas. You know, reported speechত inverted commas are not used, right? Now moving on, what's the next point? That functions as a connector before the reported speech, but it can be left out in informal speech. এতিয়া কি হয়? He said, I'll watch cricket match tomorrow. He said that he would watch, right? He said that. এই দুটা পোর্শনক লগাবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰো? We use a conjunction or a connector. আৰু কোনটো ৱৰ্ডে connector হিচাপে কাম কৰে? The word that functions as a connector in this part, right? এইখিনি বস্তু আমি যোৱা টু ক্লাছত পঢ়িছিলো. It's just a revision of that. Okay? Now we can see an example that Shalini said that she was very happy the day before. Okay, so that was an example. Now let's see a few more examples. So from direct speech to reported speech, when we change something from direct speech to reported speech, what happens? যেতিয়া এটা বস্তু আমি direct speech পৰা reported speech লৈ change কৰিম, কি হয় না? First up, in present form. চাওঁচোন present formত কি কি changes আহে? Am is are. Am is are. What are these? Yes, you all are right. Am is are the forms of the be verb. Present form of the be verb. So direct speech যদি am is are আছে, speech to যদি আমি indirect speech বা reported speech লৈ convert কৰো, if we change that into a reported speech or an indirect speech, কি হ'ব তেতিয়া? Am is and are will turn into was. Well, what would be was? Yes, am or is will turn into was, whereas are will become were. Am বা is to was হৈ যাব আৰু are to were হৈ যাব, right? Then after that we have something more. What's that? In the present form only. So simple. So let's look at this. So this is a simple present tense. Simple present tense the direct speech of sentence to enekwa asil. Mohan said, I need some help. Mohan said, I need some help. এতিয়া এই বস্তুটো যদি আমি ৰিপৰ্টেড স্পিচলৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰো এইটো কি হৈ যাব the sentence will be like this Mohan said that he needed some help ইয়াত কি হৈ গ'ল এইটো Mohan said I need some help so এইটো কি আছিল this was in simple present tense so as you all know these inverted commas are not used here. Yat kuno dhoroner inverted comma nai, right? Duta part asil. First part was this. Mohan said, and second part was this. Ei duta part of connect kora karone ami ki korilu? We use this that. Okay, we have used this that. So that functions as a connector. Mohan said that. What? Mohane ki kole? That. So I. Now this word I is first person singular. So first person to kole ke change hoy. Very good. First person changes to third person. So I became he. Then need is in present tense. So jodi eta bostu present to thake, what happens? It turns into past form, right? So need became needed. So sentence is what? Mohan said, I need some help. It is a simple present hota ase, direct speech hot. A reported speech by indirect speech hot, it is simple present hopa, simple past hole convert hoi jabo. And the sentence should be what? It would be like this. Mohan said that he needed some help. Right? Here we go then. So see, said, ekese, then that is added. I became he and need became needed, right? Okay, now let's have a look at another form. Etu present tense hote thakibo. Which form? Perfect form. Simple present or pisot etia ami ahilu present perfect holo. Present perfect ot ki hoy jabe samasun. So direct speech hot jodi present perfect tense to use koru, the sentence would be like this. Suraj said, I have not been able to concentrate as well. Suraj said, I have not been able to concentrate as well. Aru etu jodi ami reported speech hot convert koru, the sentence will look like this. Suraj said that he had not been able to concentrate as well. He had not been able to concentrate as well. So etia yat changes no ki hol samasun. First thing is what? I became he. Ma agote koisilu first person will turn into what? Third person. Very good. So I became he. Then what happened? We could see the addition of this that. A2 part aru A duta part ok log logwar karone ki hol? We use this word that over here. So Suraj said that I became he, have not been turned into what? Had not been. So have not, where do we use? We use have not in present perfect. Kintu jeti ami narration to change kori dim, present perfect turns into what? Past perfect. He had not been able to concentrate as well. So baki khini bostu ekei thakil. Changes ki hol? Subject to change hol, right? We added that. We removed the inverted commas. Our tense to change hoi gol. So jodi simple present asil, it was simple past hoi gol. Present perfect to past perfect hoi gol, right? Now moving on. There is one more example. Sahasun ibar kuntu tense ase. This time around, we have continuous tense. Okay? So simple present ki hol? Ami dekhilu simple present, simple past hole turn hoi gol. Present perfect, past perfect hole change hoi gol. Now we need to see what happens to continuous tenses. Continuous, by continuous I mean present continuous. So present continuous tense hot ki hobo? Mohan said, I'm not finding enough time to complete it. Mohan said, I'm not finding enough time to complete it. So it would be indirect narration on the convert koru, it will say what? Mohan said that he was not finding enough time to complete it. Mohan said that changes ki ahil as usual, no use of that, right? Then I became he. Okay. So let's see. I became he. Then am not finding. মই আগতে তোমালোকক দেখাইছিলো বা কৈছিলো অলপ আগতে যে am and is turns into what? Yes, very good. Am and is turns into was. So if it's I am not finding, it will turn into what? He was not finding enough time to complete it. So যিটো tense present continuous আছিল, indirect narration বা reported speech এইটো কি হৈ গ'ল? It will turn হৈ গ'ল into past continuous tense. Got it, everyone? Very good. Now, moving ahead, let's see one more example. Now, let's see what happens to past perfect continuous. Simple present দেখিলো আমি, present continuous দেখিলো, present perfect দেখিলো. এতিয়া চাওঁ আছোন what happens to present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous sentence to হল এনেকুৱা. Mohan said, I have been waiting for your help for 2 days. I have been waiting for your help for the last 2 days. So it reported speech ki hobo? Mohan said that he had been waiting for his help for the last 2 days. Mohan said, I have been waiting for your help for last 2 days. It whole direct speech. Indirect speech ki hol? Mohan said that he had been waiting for his help for the last 2 days. এইটোত আমি কি চেঞ্জেস দেখিলো? I became he, then have been waiting turned into what? Had been waiting, right? And your became his. So এতিয়ালৈকে আমি কি দেখি আছিলো? আমি দেখি আছিলো যে first person to third person লৈকে convert হৈ যায়. এবাৰ আমি কি দেখিলো? Now we could see that even second person also turns into third person, right? And moreover, have been waiting became what? Had been waiting. So present perfect continuous ki holo change hoy? Very good. Present perfect continuous turns into past perfect continuous. All right? Very good. Now, what about past tense then? Well, reported speech to hoday present tense hote na thake. Past tense ahi jabo pare. So what about past tense? Let's see. So simple past. So if direct speech to simple past of thake, তেতিয়া কি হ'ব বাৰু? Rajiv said, we purchased a new car for office yesterday. So Rajiv said, we purchased a new car for office yesterday. So এইটোক যদি আমি চেঞ্জ কৰো, এতিয়া আমি কি দেখিম? We purchased. এইটো কি হল? That they had purchased. We is what? First person plural. That turns into what? Third person plural. So we third person plural form to whole they, right? Then purchased is in simple past. Etuk jeta ami indirect narration loi golu, etu ki hol? Had purchased, right? So the rule was what? Do you remember that? You do? Very good. So the rule was that if the direct narration is in simple past, then in indirect narration or reported speech, that simple past will turn into past perfect. Simple past to past perfect to the following. Okay? Good. Then yesterday, this is like another interesting thing, became what? The day before. Saba time frame to kitiaba change হৈ যায়. Then today will become that day. Tomorrow might become the next day. Yesterday may become the previous day or the day before. We will not use words like today, tomorrow, yesterday in reported speech. Okay? All right. Now one more example. What about past perfect tense? What about past perfect tense? Ashok said, Rahul, I had not given Pooja any book. এইটো direct speech আছিল. Indirect speech কি হ'ব? Ashok said that Rahul had not given Pooja any book. Direct speech কি আছিল? Ashok said Rahul had not given Pooja any book. আৰু reported speech কি হ'ল? Ashok said that Rahul had not given Pooja any book. So ইয়াত আমি কি changes দেখিলো? The only change was we added that আৰু inverted comma এটা আমি remove কৰিলো. বাকি Rahul had not given Pooja any book. Rahul had not given Pooja any book is same on both sides. So ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি কি বুজিব পাৰো? আমি বুজিব পাৰো এইটো কথাই যে যদি টেন্স টু past perfect হয় তেনেহলে be it direct narration or indirect narration it more or less remains same only. এইটোৰ কোনো বিশেষ সলনি নহয়. Okay? See, had not given, it's same on both part. Had not given to direct speech to ase, reported speech to had not given ase. So we have not seen any changes over here. All right? All right then. So it's question time, but we will defer it for a different time and we'll move on to our next thing. Okay? So here was a question, but we will discuss that a little bit later. So now we'll move to our second part, that is reported speech part 2. Okay, so what do we have over here? So the part says, Raju said, I studied a lot for my examination. The sentence is what? Raju said, I studied a lot for my examination. মই মোৰ এক্সামৰ কাৰণে বহুত বেছি পঢ়িছিলো. So এইটোক যদি আমি চেঞ্জ কৰিব লগা হয় এতিয়া কি কৰিম আমি ইয়াত? What are we going to do with this one? Raju said that he had studied a lot for his examination. So which tense it is? Very good. This is in simple past, right? So I studied became what? He had studied a lot for his examination. I studied became what? He had studied a lot for his examination. So changes ki dekhilu? I became he, studied became had studied, and my became his, right? So this is the change that we could see over here. All right? Now, moving on. Rita said, I arrived late because I had lost the address. Rita said, I arrived late because I had lost the address. So এইটোক যদি চেঞ্জ কৰিবলগীয়া থাকে আমি কি কৰিম ইয়াত? Rita said that she had arrived late because she had lost the address. So what happens here? That কি changes দেখিলো? First up, inverted commas are not used. এই দুটা portionok join করার কারণে what we did, we used that, then I became what? She. Arrived turned into what? Had arrived. Then next up again, I became she. But interesting point to hold, had lost. And had lost only. So same sentence, eta sentence যদি দুটা tense থাকে, then also কি হব? এটাহে change হব. Present past perfect যি ফর্মতে নাথাকক কিয়, it's not going to change. Past perfect to কোনো ধৰণৰ changes নাহে, right? Past perfect to as it is থাকিব. Okay? See, I became she, arrived turned into had arrived, then what? Again, I became she, and then had lost remained same on both counts. Duo side ote had lost to ekei thakil. Okay? Now, one more example. It says, Hari said, Ram had not written a letter to Rahul. Ako eta sentence palo ami. Etu ki koise? Hari said, Ram had not written a letter to Rahul. Rame Rahulলৈ এখন letter লিখা নাই. So এইটোক যদি আমি change কৰিব লাগে, এইটোক আমি কি কম? Hari said that Ram had not written a letter to Rahul. Hari said that Ram had not written a letter to Rahul. So ইয়াত আমি কি changes দেখিলো? We saw that, said that was added. Then Ram had not written একে থাকিল হয় নে নহয়? কিয়? Because it's in past perfect. আৰু আমি আগতেই কৈছো যে past perfectত কোনো ধৰণৰ changes নাহে. So, Ram had not written a letter to Rahul. Ram had not written a letter to Rahul. It remained same only. Got it? Fine. Okay. So from that, we are back to again Suraj and Mohan. ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি আকৌ উভতি আহিলো কাৰ মাজলৈ? Suraj and Mohanৰ মাজলৈ. So চাওঁ আহাচোন এওঁলোকৰ কনভাৰচেশ্যনটোত কি হয় এবাৰ? Suraj আৰু Mohanৰ মাজত কনভাৰচেশ্যন চলি আছিল as we saw in our last class. So now Suraj is saying, I will help you do the sums. I will help you do the sums. So can you understand what is happening here? Suraj said, I will help you do the sums. So which tense it is? Very good. This is future tense. Okay? So এতিয়ালৈকে আমি কি কথা পাতি আছিলো? We were talking about only present tense and past tense, right? But এই দুটাইতো tense নহয়. We have a third tense also, which is called future tense. So future tense is, Suraj said, I will help you do the sums. I will help you do the sums. Now what are we supposed to do? Obviously, we'll have to change the speech or narration, right? আমি narration বা speech to change কৰিব লাগিব. So চাওঁ আছো ইয়াত কি আছে আমাৰ কাৰণে? Suraj said that he would help him do the sums. Suraj said that he would help him do the sums. So কি changes আহিল ইয়াত? I became he. এটো তোমালোক আটাই বুজিছাই যে I will always become he. Then will turn into what? Would. Suraj said, I will help you do the sum. So will became what? Would. Right? Then you became what? Him. Okay? Right? So will became would. So now this is the rule that you need to remember. So boys and girls, take out your pen and paper and note this down. এই rule to note কৰি লোৱা. এনেকুৱা rule আমি আগৰ ক্লাছতো বহুত ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো. এইটো তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে আন এটা rule হয়. Please note it down. And the rule is, in reported speech, simple future tense of verb changes to simple past form of verb. So the reported speech of the verb to simple future থাকে, direct narration of. In direct narration of, it will change into what? Simple past form of the verb with the addition of would, right? আমি তাত would to add কৰিম আৰু বাকিখিনি simple past লৈকে convert হ'ব. All right? Fine. Please note it down. Say, what's that rule? In reported speech, simple future tense of verb changes to simple past form of verb. All right? Got it? Okay then. Now moving ahead, simple future will turn into what? Simple past form of verb. Okay? So will became what? Will became would. All right? I will have to manage my time more efficiently. Now Mohan is saying, I will have to manage my time more efficiently. One more time to it বেছি efficiently manage কৰিব লাগিব. I will have to manage my time more efficiently. So Mohan said, I will have to manage my time more efficiently. So the word is will have to. So which tense is this? Good. This is future perfect tense. So yet ki hol? Mohan said that he would have to manage his time more efficiently. He would have to manage his time more efficiently. So I became he, will have become would have. So will have would have. So what happens here? It's simple past future perfect, in reported speech, future perfect tense changes to past perfect tense. It happened that way, right? Future perfect turns into past perfect. Will have turned into would have. All right? So next part it says, I will also not waste my time from now onwards. So what Suraj is saying? Suraj is saying that I will also not waste my time from now onwards. So I will also not waste my time. This is indirect narration. Indirect narration with ki hobo? Suraj said that he would also not waste his time. So यह changes किया हिल. I became he, will not became would not, right? And my time became what? His time. So will not became what? Would not. Suraj said, I will be late tomorrow. So what would be next part? It says Suraj said that he would be late the following day. Suraj said that he would be late the following day. So here আমি কি changes দেখিলো? I became what? I became he, will be became would be, right? And tomorrow became what? Tomorrow become the following day. Then the next line says, the patient said, I will have called the doctor. The patient said, I will have called the doctor. So eto ki hobo? The patient said that he would have called the doctor. So here changes ki ahil? I became he, right? We added that আর ওইটা will to কি হবো? Very good. Will turned into would. So will have became would have, and rest as it is a say, right? He would have called the doctor. Then Rita said, I will not buy a new dress tomorrow. Next sentence is, Rita said, I will not buy a new dress tomorrow. So what can we make out of that one? Rita said that she would not buy a new dress the following day. Rita said that she would not buy a new dress the following day. So what are the changes here? We added that I became what? I became she, will not became what? Would not, and tomorrow became what? The following day. Okay? এইখিনিলৈকে তো rules আছিল, but there are few exceptions. এই rule কেইটাই নহয়, কিছুমান এনেকুৱা point আছে য'ত rulesবোৰ অলপ break কৰা যায়. There are few exceptions. So what are those exceptions? Let's see. The teacher said, the earth goes round the sun. The teacher said, the earth goes round the sun. So এটুক যদি আমি convert কৰো, এটু কি হব? The teacher said that the earth goes round the sun. Is this right? তোমালোকক লগা নাই নে এটা strange বস্তু হৈছে? মই তেতিয়াৰ পৰা কি কৈ আছিলো? মই তোমালোকক কৈ আছিলো যে simple present to simple past লৈ convert হৈ যায়. So ইয়াত আমি কি দেখিছো? Earth goes. Goes is what? Simple present tense, third person singular number, go becomes goes. All right? So it is simple present to say. So simple past hobo lagile ki hobo lagisil? It should have become went. So the sentence should have been, the teacher said that the earth went round the sun. But yet tenekwa howa nai. Etu ki ase? The earth goes round the sun remain, the earth goes round the sun only. Why? Kior karone hoise etu? See, goes remain, goes only. Why? Because tenses may not change if the statement is a universal truth. যদি স্টেটমেন্টটো এটা ইউনিভার্সাল ট্ৰুথ হয় বা চিৰন্তন সত্য হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে টেন্সেস চেঞ্জ নহবও পাৰে tenses may not change if the statement is a universal truth. Got it? Moving ahead. Suraj said, I will be late tomorrow. Suraj said that he would be late the following day. That what is happening here? I became he, then will be became would be. Now, Gopal said, I know her address. I know her address. এটুক যদি চেঞ্জ কৰিবলৈ কোৱা হয় কি হ'ব? Who can tell me? Boys and girls, please try. Yeah, I hope you got it right. It says what? Gopal said he knew her address. So ইয়াত কি হ'ল? I became he, know became knew, and her address remains same only. All right? All right. While reporting a statement that is still relevant, the tenses may not change. While reporting a statement that is still relevant, tenses may not change. All right? Okay. So let's summarize whatever we have learned till now. Okay? So exact words of the speaker, you know, যিজন স্পিকাৰৰ ডাইৰেক্ট ৱৰ্ডছ থাকে আমি এইখিনি কি বুলি কওঁ we call them reported speech conversations or incidents that took place that is direct speech and then what is reported indirect speech আন এজন পাৰ্সনে যদি এইখিনি বস্তু কৈ দিয়ে তেতিয়া হেতু কি হৈ যায় that becomes reported speech so when reporting a speech এটা speech এটাক আমি ৰিপৰ্ট কৰিলে কি কৰিব লাগিব inverted commas are not used. That functions as a connector before the reported speech. Say, Suraj said that he would be late the day after. Okay, I'll be late tomorrow. So Suraj said that he would be late the day after. All right. So there are certain changes that happens when we turn that from direct speech to reported speech. What happens in present form? Am, is, are turns into what? Was and were. Simple present turns into what? Simple past. Present perfect turns into past perfect. Present perfect continuous turns into past perfect continuous, past continuous, right? Present perfect continuous turns into past perfect continuous. Okay? Then again, in past form, simple past turns into past perfect. Past perfect turns into past perfect remains past perfect only. Okay, then one more example, future form, simple future will become simple past and future perfect will become past perfect. All right, so that's it for now. But before that, before I leave, I need to tell you something more. Well, boys and girls, we have talked about reported speech, right? But then there is something more that we will be adding in our coming sessions. What's that? এতিয়ালৈকে তোমালোকে এইবোৰ সেন্টেন্সে দেখিছা যিবোৰ আৰম্ভ হৈছে he said, she said, Suraj said, Mohan said, right? But what about if the sentence says Suraj says, Mohan says, they say? So যেটো reporting verb আছে না সেইটো সদায় past tense আছে সেইটো যদি present tense থাকে তেতিয়া চেঞ্জেছবোৰ কেনেকুৱা হ'ব don't you have that question আমি এতিয়ালৈকে কি কৰি আছিলো আমি অকল past tenseৰ বস্তুখিনিয়ে ডিসকাস কৰি আছিলো all right so next time what we'll do we will discuss a bit more about reported speech okay there we will talk a bit more about this part say যদি reporting verb to present tense থাকে তেতিয়াহলে reported speech to কি হ'ব if the speaker says Suraj says I'll be late tomorrow এটুক আমি কেনেকৈ চেঞ্জ কৰিম will that be past tense again এই গোটেইখিনি বস্তু আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম in one of our coming sessions till then stay safe stay at home and thank you very much